Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. It's a Saturday live, and yes, very happy to be here. How are you all doing? Some brilliant mix for you today. Some casual, uh, dupattas in Munga silk, beautiful check, some tissue dupattas, and it's going to be all of a mix. Now, these are, yes, casual, semi casual. You can really dress it up. So, it just depends on how you're going to really, design it and, design that look that you have in mind. How are you all doing? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Everyone's getting ready for the weekend, and I'm going to just quickly pin down the number where you can place your order while the live is going on. So yes, you can place your order while the live is going on, and thereafter all the others number will start working. How are you all? I'm really excited generally because they're beautiful pieces that we're going to be showing you today. And you'll see me, I'm wearing one of my old kurtas from my earlier collections. From it was called the Rue collection, and it's an organza based thing. And the great thing is that we do have it again for you here, and this is what yes. So I love this kurta. I love for the the look that it really gives. It's a black kurta, so yes, maybe somewhere time specific, but I just feel that you can wear these kind of kurtas. I have a culotte with it with a gold stripe, this, and this is an organza base. But you see, when you see the work that it happens on it, then you will see that it just kind of settles down. And the great thing is that yes, we do have two colors available. So this is the first one, and let's just show you the design. This is how it will look. You'll see there is an embroidery on it. There is a gold touch on it. You can see the gold touch in the zari that's there. Now, a lot of you guys worry about wearing organza, but the great thing with all the work that happens here is that it's just settled down. It just gives you a really nice flow. I want to just simply kind of pleat it, show it to you. The price of this one is 3,200 per meter. Let me just show you the fall. Look at that. It falls beautifully. So if it falls like that, just on this basic pleating, I tell you guys, it's going to have a nice silhouette, nice feel to it. So here it is. This is the first one, organza based. This is what I'm also wearing. Of course, this design is slightly different because mine is from an earlier collection, but this is the newest design, 3,200 per meter, this fabric. And we're going to get you one more color in this, and it's a beautiful white. So let's keep this aside. You can go for many looks with this, of course, kurtas and something even in the bottom, flary. So whatever you guys have in mind for today. And of course, I was actually supposed to wear this dupatta, and it happens. So if you want to go for an organza look, then this is something that you could kind of pair it up with. So look at this. I'm just going to show you. Look at that. This organza, kurta with embroidery and this dupatta, and I kind of like it. You'll see, it's that black look. Sometimes you want to just wear it like that. So here it is, this first look. This is 3,200 per meter. This dupatta is 10,800, and it goes rather well together. And now time for the second color, and I think you guys are going to love it. Here it is. I think there's one more design in this, which guys, I think it's missing. Please bring me the second design that's also there in this fabric. Meanwhile, to all of you, that was for my team, here it is. This is the one. And look at that beauty. This is all embroidery on organza, guys. And it's this fabulous color in white. And we have two designs in it. I do want to show you the second design. I'm just wondering where it is. So here it is. But look at this. Look at this. Look at the detail and the finish with which it has been done. I love the design. It's a really intricate design. Now, this is again our organza base. This one is 3,800 per meter. Give me a second. Let me check. This is, I think, 3,800 per meter. So here it is, and look at that. Now all white look. If that's what you guys are looking for, then it's going to be amazing. See, here it is. Now this white look, this white kurta, and who does not need a beautiful white kurta in their wardrobe? Everyone needs it. So this is this is one such. So, and you'll see that, you know, it's a no zari one, which means that you can easily wear it. Look at that. Here it is. All the detailing. I'm also going to show you how the kurta looks like. And there it is. Look at that. Look at the detailing here. You can see how this kurta is going to look like. I know there is one more design and I can see it right in front of me. So, you know, guys, I'm going to go and can you please pass me the second design? Thank you. I was about to get up, but here it is. I have help finally. And yes, and here it is. And I'm going to show you the second design. I think, is that the design? Okay, one second. Let's see. Let's see. Let's show you this. Here it is. And this. So two options in this. Now the thing is that it is dyeable. It is dyeable, and you can of course get it in a color that you like. You can choose any color that you like in it. You can dye it on your end. We can do it for you. You can let us know. But frankly, if you ask me, it's, you know, it is beautiful as a white. You know, I would love to wear this white. I think the, you know, maybe some confusion with the design. It may look the same. It may be the same, you know. So guys, sorry for this one. But anyways, so this design in white, in organza, and this is, you know, this is 3600 per meter. So one sec, guys, one sec. Sorry, it is 38. Width is 44. The price is 3800 per meter. The width is 44. We are prepared for today, but yes, there was this confusion about this white one. So here it is. One last look for this one. I can see you guys do beautiful kurtas with it. You can do long dresses with it. You can do a one piece. You can, you know, do a lehenga and a plain kurta. So whatever ways. And if you just want that perfect white kurta, then just wear it. You know, this may be my perfect black, this may be the white, so you can choose all of that. Here we go. So one last look. And guys, you know what happens with all the embroidery is that the organza really settles down. You can see it has that weight to it which makes it really settle down. So that's about the organzas. Yes, and we are moving on to the next thing, which is what we had, you know, we had put a clip on our Banarsi checks, and you guys had totally loved it, and that is what we are bringing today to show to you, you know, our beautiful Banarsi check fabrics. Now look at this. This is the work is done in Karwa. We have many colors. I'm going to be showing you each of these colors. But first I will also show you a combination with each one of these. So now this one is a katan silk. Some of these are 2.5, or some you will get in a cut of 2.5 or 5. So, you know, because these thans are made in a particular size, so we can only give that kind of a cut. And look at this. I love the fact that, you know, something, you know, as, you know, checks has always been popular for, it's an ageless, you know, design pattern. And I love the fact that we can have this, you know, beautiful check in this katan silk along with this karwa buta. So look at this. This is only gold. You'll be seeing many colors and variation. Look at that. That's the buta from the back, if you can believe it. That is how close it is. You know, it's how neatly that's done. So this is the katan silk, the first color in the checks. And guys, I do have many treasures up lined up, and you guys, you know, if checks is your thing, then yes, they're here. If tissue dupattas, katan silk suits, you know, all of that's coming up. And yes, they're brilliant for men, for women, for an entire outfit, you know, and you can do different, look at this. Here it is. You can do a different combination with these. You can mix them, match them, use them for the entire outfit. So just depends on how you would kind of wear it. I love this combination. This dupatta is 12,800 and this is 4,200 per meter. We have lots of fabrics. We have Tanchui, and you can check with our team on our WhatsApp number, post the live on the various options that we have in fabrics. And yes, we do. We sell suits, fabrics, and dupattas. That's what we specialize in. Most of all of our work is done, you know, with our weavers in Banaras. So yes, and look at this. This is the second check that we have. I love the fact that it has this, you know, yellow tinge to it. And you will see the buttas are very interesting. There is a red meena, there's a pink meena, and there is a blue meena, all in one story. So it's a beautiful piece to create this kind of look and variation. You know, you need to just kind of wear it straight, wear it long, wear it all over. Just depends on how you want to do it. And really, you know, if I were to wear this, I would like to keep the emphasis on this beautiful kurta. You know, I would. We can, of course, you know, give you heavier silk dupattas with it if that's what you like. We can do that. But today I'm going to just show you some light color, you know, matched with it, our classic Georgette dupatta, you know, because I really think we need to let this beauty show on its own. And look at this combination. I love it. It really looks nice. Very light, very wearable, 4,200 per meter. This one is 11,800, and here it is. So you can do this together, and I like it. You could even, you know, you could do one of the other contrasts in it. You could do a red, you could do a pink. That's up to you. We are going to be showing you those dupattas as well right now. So now the next one is a color that has always been very popular in our checks, and it's this beautiful beautiful shade of pink, and you'll see the purple motif, you'll see the pink, the hot pink. There are two shades of pink. I love it. The base is, you know, beige. Now with these you can always take the, you know, you can always take the plain silk bottom, so you can always choose any one color and, you know, you can go for it. I would say choose any of the colors in the checks. It looks really wonderful as your bottom. You could take a, you know, classic cream or the color that's there. Now with this one, I'm going to show you an organza dupatta, and as again, you know, I was saying that, I'm saying it again. We want you to kind of, you know, just emphasize on the beauty of this check. So here it is. Look at that. And yes, and I think it looks nice. Now, yes, I in fact do have a check piece, and, you know, yes, I forgot all about it to show it to you, but it's beautiful. We've done a mix match patchwork, you can imagine, and it really, this is a classic, just goes long, and with this butta, I think it looks really nice. So look at this. If you want it as a, you know, set, I would say go for it just as a kurta and pants. But if you're looking for a set and looking to add a dupatta, then maybe this one is an option. Now second color combination, I have a couple of more, guys, and look at the striking color. It's this. Look at that. You know, you go for men, you go for women, design it in either ways, and it's going to just look stunning. You know, checks as, you know, semi-casual look, as formal look, and guys, how can anyone, you know, I mean, not like this look? It's beautiful. You know, check some, you know, like polka dots, like stripes, you know, some of us feel penna chahiye, some of us not. But I think, you know, with this one, and then, you know, with all the buttas, I think it's something we definitely must try, you know, remove all those barriers in our head, in our mind, that, you know, this does not work for me. You know, so a lot of questions to us, you know, will this suit me? Will this color suit me? And we really strongly believe that it will. If you like it and you are in a mood to wear it, it will look amazing on you. So that is what you will always hear my team, me, anyone say that. That's what we're going to say. Look at this, beautiful. This is slightly bigger, and with this one we're going to go all hot, you know. Look at that. Yes, so this pink, there it goes. And look at this combination. So you could go for this one together. Again, you could go for it separately. Both are an option, but I like the fact that, you know, it has multicolors. It has a red also, it has a pink also, and it has a blue. But you could pick up any one color and go for your look in it. And I think the last two combination with the last one, I'm going to show you slightly heavier dupatta just for you guys to know how it will look. And this is, brilliant. It is this black and this is a deep purple color with it. And all that you need with this one is this light dupatta, and it matches it to the tee, which is what we wanted, just to give you that light something to accompany with it. And look at this, here it is, this Katan silk in checks, 4200 per meter, this dupatta in georgette, 11,800. I feel that it makes a great pairing together. Look at it. I'm going to also open this just to show you how soft it is, how beautiful it is. Look at the back. It's super soft, like Katan silk, like premium Katan silk. Very nice and very easy to wear. And the last one for today is this one. This again has a tone of yellow and the sea green color, and it's just all the buttas in various different colors. Again, you could of course go for a lighter dupatta, the one that we showed, the green, and is there a red? There was supposed to be a red. But anyways, and then a lot of times you'll see me asking this question in lives, ki are ye kahan hai, all of that. And we have a very interesting reel coming up tomorrow to show you what actually happens, from one live to another. I'm really excited. It'll release tomorrow at 9 a.m. Just to show you that every single of these pieces, guys, you see, this piece, and many others that you have seen are all handmade. And you see us go live, you see our recordings 3-4 times a week. And every piece you have to acknowledge is handmade, which has taken us a long time to make, and still we have so many pieces to show you, so many multiple collections. So we want to just show you the amount of planning that goes between two lives, and that's what tomorrow's reel will all be about. 9 a.m. Don't forget to check it out. Here it is, the last color in checks. There's gorgeous dupatta. Now if you want a heavy look with any of these, then you could go for this dupatta. It's a jal dupatta. It's a 24,800 dupatta. Or you could pair it up with this if you're looking for a heavier combination. So both ways, all of that is possible. And guys, what do we have more? And today I have the most beautiful colors in Munga silk, and these are just dupattas. Here you go. So look at that. These are the easy lightweight dupattas, 11,800, and look at that deep red color. Oh, look at that. So this has been a hot favorite. Very limited pieces. Get your piece now if you really like it, because we never have enough of this particular one. This is Munga silk dupatta, all gold, all very easy to wear. Here it is. Look at that, me carrying it. Very easy. 11,800 for this one. We have 3 more colors in it. I love the red, of course, and with it, which is what I want to show you, we have, after a long time, we have a natural Munga silk in this buta, and it's right here. And these are very popular because they really go well with many of the looks and pieces that you have. And look at it, this one is all of these Meena colors in pink and orange with it. You can just get this separately, 3,800 per meter, and here it is. Now if you would like to combine this as a set, sure, why not? Look at it, it looks beautiful. Both Munga silks, 3,800 per meter, 11,800 for this one. Here we go. And the next one, so this fabric is, I'll show it to you again with the pink, but before that I want to show you this very glamorous, very beautiful color, and here it is for you. Look at that, look at that. You see the gold really coming through. What would look also amazing is a natural color Munga suit. You could go for the same base color plain Munga suit. You can go for buta. You can just check. We have lots of Munga in buta which can be dyed in color that you like. The price are 24.50 per meter. You can choose the color to be dyed in plain, in buta, and it's beautiful. So look at this color. Here it is. I love this shade. It's such a mix. 2.2 in the length plus tassels. Do check out and it looks amazing on a black as well. So very easy to wear. Just, you know, you can just easily pair these dupattas. If you're looking for a, you know, set, go for a plain munga. You know, you can place an order for that. Plain fabrics and, you know, sometimes Buta fabrics are only done on order, so you'll have to place the order and then see how it's done. But I love it. 11,800 for this one. Two more colors coming up. And here it is. This is you know, shade of pink, Rani pink. Here are the flowers, and look at that, how it sits very beautifully, very light. And, you know, really we wanted to keep this, you know, mid-range. Maybe you'll see couple of heavy pieces, and in Katan silk suit, if that's what you're looking for, they're coming up. We have a completely new collection, you know, just in time for all your celebrations. That's there, that's coming up in a bit. But meanwhile, this Munga silk dupatta, and the lengths are usually 2.2 or so. You can check it specifically. Here it is with this fabric. I think it looks amazing. And yes, and the very last color. Here it is, this hot pink, guys, the hot pink. Yes. Now with a black, I think it looks amazing with a black. Where is this black fabric that I'm wearing? You can only imagine the kind of stuff that I have here, and I have lots of it. But I'm gonna try digging. I'm gonna try digging out the black from it, because I want to show you. Yes, and I found it, you know, when I set my mind on something, I get it, and here it is. So, you know, if you want to go for a munga, sure, you can do that. But if you want something, you know, like a different look, then this is beautiful. I love the black and pink here. This is an organza base. This is, of course, munga silk. But, you know, some fabrics go very well together. This is, of course, the obvious combination. You can also go for this in munga. But that's that. And, you know, that was two, I think that was that range, the 11,800 range. I'm going to show you more. And look at this, this is the Meena one, and look at the flowers, and look at the jal, and here it is. And what a beautiful color, you know, the ivory color. 14,800 for this gorgeous piece. Lots of Meena, lots of beauty there. And it's in cut work. The work has been done in cut work, and you know, you can just kind of wear it with any color, but it would be wonderful to wear it with a gold, you know, a color like that. Let's see how it looks with our fabric that I was just showing you. I would like to see it with that. You know, we do have some of this fabric, but not too much. So yes, so you can place your order while you're watching the live on one particular number. It's pinned down on both WhatsApp, on both Instagram and Facebook. It's a WhatsApp link to our business account. After, you know, you guys may have lots of our other accounts. They work once the live is over. So yes, during the live only one number, but later on many numbers. You know, whatever is your final order, you want to close it, my team will help you close it. You know, you can just take the payment link and make the payment, or choose for a COD to, you know, verified contacts. And if it's confirmed, sure, that's how it is. This one last look of this absolutely stunning piece. And here it is, 14,800 for this one in this Meena. I love the Meena colors, they're so soft. Now the next one is in the shade, it's a, you know, it's a dark blue shade. You know, it's not really a black, it's a dark blue. And look at that, here it is. Yes, so this one is again a jal work munga silk. It's in blue and it looks beautiful, you know, easy wear. Just pair it up with any kurta that you have from any of these colors, a gold kurta, white, you know, so it just depends on how you want to kind of dress it up. Doesn't take much, you know. These, you can always have couple of munga silk classic plain kurtas and pajamas in your wardrobe, because they're amazing. They, you know, really carry you through lots of different looks and events, so it's really nice to have them. Here it is. This one is 14,800, and lots of these are like single pieces, guys, so you can check, you know, what you feel. And now coming to the dupattas, and since we're doing some dupattas and we're doing some very limited dupattas, I want to show you more. Now this one, guys, is a silk dupatta. You guys may have seen it earlier and it went faster than, I can say fast. Yes, it really did. We couldn't. And the good thing is that we have many colors in it, and I'm going to show you the colors very, very quickly. And such beautiful colors with this tinge of Meena in each one of them. I'm going to show you this. This is a very light green color. Look at that. I'm going to open them, of course. 16,800 for each one of these. And this is a beautiful yellow. And this is, guys, it has taken, as all of these, handmade pieces. And really, your presence here so many times. And that's why I always say, I'm so thankful for it. That, buying, kharidna, chalte rehta hai. When you need it, you'll buy. Do remember us when you need a Banarsi. But jokes apart, for you guys to come and see this means that you can see the effort that has gone in making and planning and all the execution and the post that happens behind it, and for each one of these pieces, which is a very, very long time. So here it is. Now this one, we'll start with this blue color. It's all silver zari with a touch of this deep maroon red here. And whether it is soft or not, I think it's pretty soft. Look at that. I am carrying it with much ease. Yeah, it's very elegant, very easy to carry. It's a cut work dupatta. And see, so yes, silk hai, zari hai, so it may have some, you can see that there is some, you'll have a fold to it, things like that, but it's very easy to carry. And this beautiful, look at that, this very nice ice blue. And what an unusual color. Who would think an ice blue and a maroon could go together? But here it is, and I think it looks rather nice. I hope you guys do have your favorite cup of beverage. We are tea lovers here, but yes, I do hope that you guys are relaxing on your Saturday. And if working, then I hope you get a brilliant Sunday tomorrow to relax. So this one is the first color. Let's go on to more because we have so many more. And I also have some brilliant dupattas and suit sets even after this. So here it is, this gorgeous yellow. I love the fact, and of course a yellow and a red, it always yes, it always goes well. And look at this really light, very bright, very perky, brilliant color of yellow with all silver zari, and that's a specialty. This is a Katan silk collection with only silver zari in it. Here it is, look at it, and there you go. So this one, this brilliant yellow. On to the next. Let's show you this very light, very pastel pink. And in this one, you'll see the Meena is of course different. It's a sea green color Meena. Here it is. But look at the piece. Look at the detailing right there. You will see the back. Do see the back. This is the back of the dupatta. That's what's important, for you guys to get the entire picture of the pieces that you see. The front, the back, all of it. To know how it would fall, how soft it is, and the sheen and the look. And that's what these Neve lives are for. And we're thankful to so many of you. Lots of we've had lots of interest with lots of new clients, and from all over the world, and it's amazing. And I thank each one of you. Client or not, if you're here, yes, my regards to all of you. So this one, this pastel pink with the sea green, 16,800 for these. And we have the last two colors, which I'm going to very quickly show you because I do have so much more to show you still. And this one is a green color. Please have a look at the detailing and how this touch of this color just kind of changes it all. It just makes it so beautiful. So here you go, this light green color in this Katan Silk Silver Zari collection. And look at that. I forgot to kind of talk about this, but I like the fact that it is a non-traditional border, very slim. It's just there to kind of complete it, but the emphasis is on the entire look right here. So, sometimes you like those big ambis and it looks amazing, just depends on the look. But sometimes you want to go for pieces which are here, which have this narrow border, which means that you can easily kind of wear it. And here it is in this pink. Let's see, you will see this red color, and I love this red and pink touch. So pair it up with a deep red or this pink, but I think it would look amazing with a deep red color. But of course you can go for this pink color in silk, all plain, and have this outfit, so it would be nice even that way. Or you could go for a silver in plain silk. So plain silks are available 1780 per meter. You can just check them. If you want with Bhuta, you can check with those, you know, in silver. But I think in silver you'll have to check Sona Rupa what's available. But yes, so you can make complete suit sets out of them if that's what you want. And after this, what I'm going to go for is two stunning pieces in Moonga silk suits. And here it is. Look at that, guys. Look at the colors on the screen, and look at the stunning piece. This is a Moonga silk suit, and it's a 3-piece suit. I'll show you the bottom as well. Before I open it all, I want to show you the bottom. Here it is. Look at that. This with this is the bottom. Okay, this is a plain Moonga silk bottom. 29,800 for this absolutely stunning suit. It's in Moonga silk. Of course, you can see the border, you can see how, you know, the inspiration behind it with the colors and the beauty that there is. You know, look at that right here. Oh, look at that color just coming through. It's beautiful in its fall and its look, and definitely in this kind of color. So this is the kurta. It's a 3 meters kurta. The border will come at the end, and I'll also show you the dupatta. The dupatta is also a Moonga silk dupatta. It has this beautiful Bhuta, this dupatta with this very broad border, and I love this look. You know, the motifs you'll see here, you know, they're geometric, but you know, geometric flowers to it. But imagine, so floral and geometric, and they're really nice together. And here it is, this one. Let me just put the kurta back. I have one more color in this coming up. I'm going to just show it to you. Look at that. Here it is. This is the kurta. I have to fold it. This is a 3 meter kurta, 2.5 meter of the 2.5 meter of the bottom. You can have more if you like. It depends. You can choose more. Look at that color. It's so stunning. So Moonga, you know, that's the beauty with it, that the colors come out so strong, so well, you know, so deep and saturated. So it looks amazing because of that. And this is of course the bottom to go along with it, also in Moonga. And after that deep color, we are coming to a softer color, and just as beautiful, just as stunning. And this is the color pink. So this is a very pastel light pink color. Let's show you the piece. Oh, I thought I'd show you the here it is. Sorry guys, you know, they open up sometimes. What to do? And here it is, this beautiful shade of pink, also as a suit set. So it's a 3-piece suit set. What you're seeing here is the dupatta. I'm just going to show you the bottom. This is the bottom in plain Moonga silk in the base color. And let's open this up for you. First, let's open the dupatta. I just love the dupatta. It's flowy. It does have that fall. And here it is. So this, you know, the broad borders at both ends. That's, you know, that's the beauty in this. And what I'm wearing is also available. You know, we started out the show with that. Look at that. This kurta right here. Very flowy, very soft. Each one of these. And it's just a stunning combination together. This 3-piece suit set, which means that, you know, the kurta 3 meters, the dupatta and the bottom is for 29,800. And look at that here, right here. So this combination, one last glimpse before we move on to the next. Yes, let's move on to the next. And now what I have for you are these. Let's show these to you. So lots of dupattas as I promised today. And look at this. This is our most exquisite work in cotton. These are dupattas in jal, in cotton. And it's a Sona Rupa. It's Karwa and it's a jal, 18,800, and it's cotton, guys. If you will believe it, it is cotton. That is what is so amazing about it. I'm going to start off with this unusual color. So if you guys like cotton, then these pieces are for you. You will see. Now this one has one thread of silk and cotton. So this is a, you know, this is a both, but it's beautiful because of its design and its feel. And yes, these are, you know, just finished those, so they have certain structure to it, but you know, it's all about these very light looks that you have. So you will see it's like a cotton dupatta, very premium cotton, cotton by cotton, in jal, in Sona Rupa Karwa. You will see the work, I'll show it to you. But as you keep wearing it, it gets softer. That's, you know, so this really nice green color. Now what I'm wearing is one of the classics, because I have worn this kurta so many times, and we do have it in stock in 2 colors, not only in black, but we also have it in white. And I'm going to open this time. Here it is. This is available in black and white. For anyone who's asking, you can check for that. Now, so this dupatta, 18,800, and it's right here. Let's show you this. Here it is, this green. Look at the back. This is all the back that you can see, totally clean in Karwa. And here it is. That's the first color. The second color, now you'll see that this, it depends on the finishing. This is super soft already, so you can, you know, tell us that you want it softer and we'll do it. But you know, really, I think there's that grace to these cotton dupattas, and that's, you know, that's why I think that once they just kind of become softer with time, it's easier, you know, it just looks rather nice. So this one is again 18,800. And yes, a question, how do you make your payments if you're in India, if you're outside India? And that's a very common question that we get, because we don't have a website yet out there. So whenever you come and place an order, how do you do that? You do that on WhatsApp. And the moment you are on WhatsApp, we can send you a payment link, or we can tell you a GPay number, or you can opt for COD. And look at that, here it is. Look at this beautiful combination with white. So it would be great. This is a base in base in organza. This one is a cotton premium, 18,800. Here it is, this one piece in dupatta. And yes, so you come to us on our WhatsApp account, confirm your order, check for all the details that you want to know about it, and we'll send you the payment link. If you're in India, it's a Razorpay link. If you're outside India, it's a Stripe link. Both very safe and secure to make your payments. And wow, what a brilliant color. Different shades of pink, different looks, you know, different combinations in the border to give you all that look. Again, I'm going to show it to you with the white, because I absolutely love this look. Of course, this can be dyed. You can dye it, but I think it just looks really nice, just as is also. Right? What do you think? So here it is, this organza, which is 3,800 per meter. This dupatta, which is 18,800. Going rather well together. There's another mango color, and then we go on to the last color. This is, guys, a classic. We keep stocking it from time to time in this jal, but I love this mango color. It's, I think, unusual. You know, we've, I think, done it for the first time. This beautiful, you know, mango and a pink border right here. And this is the back of it. Look at the back. Look at all the back, all the detailing. It's ready to be shipped. So you're looking for something casual as a day wear, then this is a brilliant option. Dye it or just wear it as is. Both options are there for this fabric, and I think they really look nice together. One last color, and this is a favorite. It's an ivory color. Here, look at that. So this again is a cotton, and it has one thread in silk. You will see the ivory, the softness of the color right here, and there you go, this one. So after this, what we're going to be doing are 4 pieces or 3 pieces, I think, of Katan silk. So 18,800 for this one. You wear it in a silk kurta, on a pink silk kurta, or an ivory plain silk suit. It would be beautiful. I'm showing you the look very up and close for you guys to know more about it. And here it is. So going on to the next, and as I said, I'm going to show you. I'm just figuring out how much I have left here. Okay, so I don't have much left, guys. So I'm going to go to the silk suit and look at the stunning colors in them. And here it is for you guys to see. And it's brilliant. You will see shades of pink, yellow and pink, and white. Pure Katan silk suit. Okay, so now There are lots of things special about it, but the thing is that it's an all silk suit. So you will see that it is a kurta, bottom, dupatta, all in pure Katan silk. And guys, I know, because I know a lot of you have been waiting for this beautiful color, and here it is. This is the kurta. This is the pure Katan silk kurta. You will see the border right here. This is the border. This is all in Sona Rupa. It's all in Sona Rupa. The work in Karwa. And the dupatta is in Katan. The bottom has also been woven along with the piece, along with the piece on the loom, and it's also in silk. And look at that. Here it is, guys. This 3-piece suit set, the price is on request. You can check for the prices, and it's brilliant, because this combination, this shade of yellow in silk, we really haven't been able to make enough of it for you guys to have. What I'm showing you is right now the kurta, and I'm going to now show you I want to show it all to you right here. Look at this. This is the back of the kurta. This is the pajama fabric, also in Katan silk. This is also Katan silk. So all of it, the 3-piece suit set has been made, and you will see a lot of these borders here. I haven't cut this piece just purposely to show you. Borders idhar bhi hain, idhar bhi hain, idhar bhi hain, and you will see the back bootas for the kurta. You can see the back bootas, and there you go. And then you see this brilliant color of kurta. Here it is, and all in Karwa for you guys. Price on request. Please check on the prices. And with this, the stunning pink dupatta in Katan silk as well. So this 3-piece suit, you can check for the prices, all in Katan. I love, what's there not to love about this brilliant silk. It gleams, and it's in this yellow color. The bottom is also in Katan silk in the same color. Going on to the second piece, I did want to show you this, and it's all white. So all of you guys who love a good white suit, this one's for you. Let me just lift up the kurta to show you guys this beauty, and here it is. Look at that. So this, look at that. Look at the detailing, look at the work, all there. This is the kurta, guys. This is the front of the kurta. You will have the back, you will have the borders, you'll have the pajama. The bottom is, and look at that, beautiful white. I just want to kind of, fold it. We have not cut it, it's just come. We did want to show you guys how beautiful it can be. This white piece in Karwa, in Sona Rupa. See, Sona Rupa, and see the border right here. Now this one is of course with the all white look. So the bottom, you can see the bottom. It's also in pure Katan, and yes, it's been made on the same time in the loom. And then you will see this dupatta. This dupatta, all in white, in Sona Rupa again. These little dots all over it, and it's stunning, absolutely stunning in this white. Here it is, this 3-piece suit set in Katan silk. And yes, one more color to it. And the last piece that we're going to, after do that, we're going to be doing is our lightweight dupattas. But before that, one last look on this absolutely stunning suit set, which is the last color. Give me a moment for it to raise up. Oh God. Katan silks are very tricky to show when they're a 3-piece suit, but here it is, this gorgeous kurta in silk. So this is a pink on pink kind of combination. You will see it's 2 shades of pink, they kind of a dual tone. This is a dupatta. I'm just opening it. You will see one is a more Rani pink, while the other, yes, it has a slightly different tone of pink, and that's the look. This is the dupatta, guys. This beautiful piece in Katan silk as the kurta, and the bottom is also pure Katan silk. It has borders which you can see, and it's brilliant. It's all Karwa. You'll see that this is the bottom right here in plain Katan silk on the same loom. You'll see borders here which you can use. So many ways of using this brilliant fabric to design outfits that you can imagine. You can do embroidery on them, you can make them heavier, you can keep them as is. So whatever is on your mind, prices under request, you can check it on the WhatsApp number, and there you go. So here it is, 3 suit sets in pure Katan silks. That's that. And after this, what we're going to go on is the super light Resham dupattas. And as I said, we're going to do a lot of mix today. So look at this brilliant red Georgette dupatta, 8800, and it's very light, no zari. So you can just wear it very easily. You can wear it with this, it's a black and red, maybe too much, but sometimes you like it. So this brilliant red dupatta, and we have more colors in it, which I'm going to show you. This aqua, this very fluorescent green, not an aqua, sorry. This is a fluorescent green, also in Resham. Again, an 8800 dupatta, light, easy to wear in pure Georgette. Look at that, it's all pure Georgette, so very, very easy to wear. It's fun where, you wear a nice white kurta. Look at that, you do a white kurta like this, and you pair any of these colors, look at that. I love this look. It's beautiful with this. You could do it with this one, or the ones which are coming next. And I would absolutely love this one, this blue. Very casual, very easy to wear, no zari. Both of them, the fabric, this fabric or the dupattas, they don't have zari, and that's the brilliant part. You could just wear this dupatta, lightweight, easy to carry and wear. Again, no zari. All of this, the collection that I'm showing you currently is a no zari one. 8800 again for this brilliant yellow. And the blue, as I said, let's show you the blue. So this is one design that we are dealing, and here it is, very nice blue. And yes, all Resham, all soft, very, very soft, in Georgette, 8800. And I think 2 more colors left, and this is a different design. Now this one has a touch of pink in it. Again, this is these dupattas, this range of Resham Georgette dupattas in this range are a classic. We usually have lots of color in it, as we have them today right here for you guys to see. And you do a plain silk suit in Moonga, in Chinya, all of that is brilliant. It looks really nice on any of those. And this is the last piece for today in pink, in this geometric design. Yes, COD is available. Debit card, credit card, GPay, bank transfer, all of that is available. If you're outside India, we can give you the Stripe link. It's very secure and easy to use any international card, debit card or credit card from outside India. This is the last piece, 8800 as well. So very easy to place the order. You can always get in touch if you want to. The numbers are here on all our posts. And thank you guys. Lots of videos launched this week, including the Nitya collection. You must watch the Nitya collection and many other pieces which have been launched throughout the week. It's a Sunday. If you have the time, do watch the Nitya collection launched day before. And apart from that, do subscribe on YouTube. We are on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for your time, and see you soon. Bye-bye.